Now it's time to do the vibrator part. We're going to solder these amplifier chips in here, and we're going to solder 2 more spring connectors on there. These amplifier ICs are sometimes a little bit tricky to get in. The first and most important thing is you'll notice on the silk screen here there's a little divot, a little dent in the top to indicate which it is, and if you look carefully on this you'll see that on each of these devices that there's a little bump there. And be sure that those are lined up correctly. Don't put the thing in there backwards. Next we need to just insert it into the holes, and this can be a little hard. I've pre-bent this one so it just slides right in there, but this is how they typically come. You'll notice that if I try to put it in there, it's a little too wide. See, those feet don't want to go in. So what you have to do is bend them in a little bit. You do this really gently. Take the thing and lay it on its side like this. And you just give it a little push down, bend all those feet in at the same time, just a little bit. Do the same on the other side, just a little bit. And with any luck, again, check that the divot is the same as the divot here. With any luck, that will just go right in there. Now I think I need to bend it a little bit more. Looks like that side is not bent in enough. Oops, now here, something you have to watch out for. You see I've bent that pin. That's not going to go in at all, so I have to take my pliers and gently straighten that out. So that it'll go in the hole. Perfect. Like that. Now for this part, when we flip this thing over, those ICs are going to want to fall out. So what I like to do is just take a piece of tape, masking tape or scotch tape. In this case I'm using painter's tape. And just kind of smash those down there. It doesn't have to be neat. It just has to hold them for a minute. Like that. And then we can flip them over and they'll stay there while we solder them. Do our corners first. And now we can take the tape off and double check that they're down nice and flat against the board. In fact, this one is not. So what I'm going to do is press it down with my finger, heat that thing up again, and it goes right down. Perfect. And so forth. Solder all the rest of the... So, all done with those. Nice and soldered. And the last step is to solder these 2 connectors on, and this is just exactly as before. We put them in here, solder them on, and we'll be all done. And there you have it, the finished product, all ready to go. The sensors, the vibrator, the audio shield, all set to go.